There's the beginning of my new flock.
What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of El Jardín Perdido. Today we're doing a chicken update. Alright, so in my last video I explained some of the hardships that I went through this past winter, but I did want to update you guys. I got some new quail just the other day. I got 3 female and 1 male. And I also ordered some eggs online for some new ayam cemani. There is somewhere around almost 10 eggs, somewhere near a dozen, maybe like a baker's dozen, 13. And out of those, only like half of them were fertile. And then out of those, only 4 ended up hatching. And those 4 ended up all being hens, female. So I went ahead and ordered some more, but for now we have 4 little ayam cemani in the brooder. I'll show you in just a minute. And as for the garden, now that spring has sprung, it's looking pretty good. Lots of things starting to pop off and flower. So this is my new flock of quail. Kind of have a little variety here. They're Cretinics, but you know, we've got some like different shades and stuff, which is pretty cool. I did kind of a rough job fixing the damage that was done by the intruder. And as for the previous incident, I have since fixed the fence here. It's 6 feet high, so hopefully no more dogs get in there. There was footage that the neighbor's dog was going up 4 feet here, hopping over the pen here, but now they have to get through the outside to even get in there. Getting into my second greenhouse here. Everything fared pretty well. Bamboo got a little toasty, but it's coming back. That was more of a drought. But yeah, here's our little guys. I think this is like a 40-gallon tank, but they're feathered out now. They don't even need all this, but in fact I need to get a little more water in there. But yeah, there's the beginning of my new flock. But hopefully with the next batch of eggs I get a rooster too. So yeah, I was kind of excited to hop back on the horse here and wanted to give you guys a little update of what was going on here. I'll probably do a little spring update once things start greening up a little more, and I do a little more landscaping. The front looks really good. I just started mulching. I got some mulch dropped off like a year ago, so it's been able to break down perfectly. And the pain in the butt has been getting that all the way up in the front yard. Usually I have like them drop something off in the driveway, and so I can mulch the front. But this was behind the tracks here, so it was a little harder to get access to, but I'm really pleased with the results. If you guys are following my channel, I've been really like almost too low maintenance with this whole permaculture thing. I'm trying to be more of a steward this year and have a little more growing, be a little more tentative. And part of that means paying a little more attention to maintenance rather than just like in the past I'd let weeds take over beds and just mulch in place with the weeds, and coincidentally, like, yeah, that'll work, but it's kind of haphazard and you're recirculating seeds back into there and stuff like that. So I've been like really weeding, mulching like pretty thick wood chips into the beds, and just paying a little more attention. But I will keep you guys updated. All right, again, that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.